This is Jake with Pool RX. We are in Port Aransas, Texas. We got a phone call from a customer. Says he's losing quite a bit of water in his pool spa combo. So we're gonna get our stuff out and start this leak detection. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is get our pool scope out. This is one of our high-tech listening devices. We'll go around, listen to all the returns, main drains, lights, inside the skimmers, and see if we can hear anything leaking. And back ports. Now we'll check inside the spa. Okay, this one here is really loud. Okay, we identified the leak in this low return down here. We're getting a whole lot of noise. You can hear the water rushing through. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna confirm it with another method. We're gonna dye test it and make sure it is these returns. After that, we'll put it under pressure. On this jet down here, we definitely have a leak around where the fitting is. We'll put some dye to it, and you can see the dye just pulling right in there. So he's definitely losing water there. The reason why we're pressure testing too is we're getting so much noise in that jet. They have all 12 of these jets tied together, even the ones on the floor. So we got 12 jets in here. So we wanted to put it under pressure just to be sure. It's been at 10 pounds for a good 20 to 30 minutes. And the reason why we wanted to double check our pressure testing is I noticed here, if you can see that, there's already been some repair work done to the jets. So we just wanted to double check just to make sure we didn't have a jet leak as well. But everything else tested good in the pool.